In this video, I show you how to delete, uninstall, remove Ragdoll Rumble Fight game app. For doing this, go to settings, then go to apps, then click on Ragdoll Rumble Fight app. You can see that there is no uninstall option. Scroll down, click on home app, go back to your default launcher. In my case, Pixel launcher. Your phone have maybe system launcher or another launcher. Click on it. Now go to settings again, then go to apps again. Now click on Ragdoll Rumble Flight game. Click on it. Click on uninstall. Click on OK. Now I hope that you uninstall, remove, delete Ragdoll Rumble Flight app game app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.